Good day everyone, I'm Mr. Arsenio Guanzon, Academy with Mary School representative. I'm going to demonstrate about the connection and disconnect ng laptop and projector. Now there is the three cables to connect. This cable is for power cable of projector, and the other one cable is for battery charger of the laptop. And the last cable, this is the VGA cable with two connector blue at the end. So now we are going to connect the power cable of the projector. The connector is connect at the back. Be sure this connector is connect properly. And then the other one cable is connect at the back of the projector. Just connect properly also, and tight properly. And the other one blue connector is going to connect here of the laptop. Just connect properly. Now we are going to plug the power cable on the extension cable for energize. Now we have the power. And we are going to open button. Press the button of the projector and just wait for processing. And the other one, just open of the laptop by pressing on the on. Now we are waiting for process. Now we are going to adjust for the scenes that if the screen is not clear, you just adjust here on the ring. Focusing ring now is already clear. Now we are going to proceed for the flash drive. We're going to connect this flash drive on the port of USB here. And then we are waiting for process. Now we are open the presentation. We are waiting the process for the presentation. Tapos na. Assuming that is already done, the presentation, we are going to close the laptop. And now we are going to shut off the laptop. Now we are waiting for shutdown. Now we are going to switch off the projector. We are waiting for now it's off already. Now we are going to the second set of this laptop and projector to remove the accessories. Now we are going to remove the flash drive and also the VGA connector from the laptop, and the other one VGA connector from the projector. Just loose it first and then pull it. And the other one, let's remove the plug for the extension cord from the extension cord, and then you remove the cable supply cord from the projector. Now the presentation is already done.